During the early spring and summer, temperatures in barns and stables can rise to a point that it affects the well-being of your livestock. CoolEffects provides an effective and sustainable cooling solution, lowering roof temperatures by up to 40 degrees Celsius and indoor temperatures by up to 7 degrees. By applying CoolEffects on the roof of the barn, sunlight and heat is reflected, thus reducing the indoor temperature. CoolEffects is bio-based and biodegradable, and therefore not harmful for the environment. CoolEffects can be applied with a high-pressure pump set or a backpack sprayer. Take the following steps to ensure your livestock stays cool during the summer while keeping your electricity costs under control. Determine how many square meters the roof of your barn is. One bucket of CoolEffects will cover 200 to 300 square meters, depending on the roof material. Fill the mixing tank with a layer of clean water to avoid the coating from sticking to the bottom of the tank. Mix CoolEffects with roughly 3 times the amount of water to a homogeneous solution. When the spraying liquid is properly mixed, you can start the application. Make sure the roof surface is dry and as clean as possible. Take the necessary precautions to work at height, such as setting up an aerial work platform, scaffolding, or a ladder safely. Distribute the coating evenly on the surface, when required in multiple layers. In case you spilled, you can spray these spots wet with a mixture of water and dishwashing liquid. When the coating is dried and applied properly, depending on the climate and weather conditions, CoolEffects will stay on the roof for about 3 to 5 months. This temporary solution ensures energy savings in summer whilst benefiting of the radiation of the sun in winter. Improve the well-being and yield of your livestock while saving on energy costs, all without the need for heavy capital investments.